Producing clickbait images for phantom sites using Microsoft Paint. You don't need expensive programs or special skills to produce good, usable clickbait images for your phantom sites. If you have a Windows operating system, you have Paint, and that will work well. Start by opening Paint, and you'll normally find a box open. You can expand that box by grabbing an arrow in the corner and dragging it to the size you want to work with. Or click on Resize, check Pixels, uncheck Maintain Aspect Ratio, and type in the sizes you want. I usually start with something like 650 by 800, and then save this as a background so you can open it when you need it. If you want a border on your image, choose the color, then click the rectangle and drag your cursor diagonally across the box. And again, save this so you can find it when you need it. Next, you'll need a product image. If you're doing an Amazon product, go to Amazon and using something like Snagit, copy a single image and save it. If you're promoting an Amazon product, you'll need a disclosure. Now, I have a text file that I open in Notepad. I change the URL to the domain I'm going to load this image to, and then using Snagit, I copy this content and save it. You'll notice in the folder I'm saving these images, I've already saved a little image of a video start arrow. Just a simple little one that I copied, and I'm going to show you how we'll use that here shortly. I've found that if I reduce the size of this disclosure image to about 60%, it fits nicely into the finished clickbait image. Next, we'll need a call to action button, and again, if you're promoting Amazon, it should be an Amazon button. Choose a color for the border, click on Outline, click on Rectangle, and drag your cursor to the size you want your button to be. Next, choose the color you want for your text. Click on the large A and draw and adjust a dotted line box inside of the rectangle. And then choose the size for the text, and you'll learn what works best through experience. Type in the text, adjust the size, and center it. Now crop this image by moving your cursor over the tiny square on each side and move it towards the border. Rotate the image 180 degrees, finish cropping, and rotate 180 degrees, and save this image. Now this call to action button is designed to use on a white background clickbait image. If your clickbait image is to be a different color, you may want to change the colors that we used here. Now we can start actually building the clickbait image. Click Open and open the background image with the border. Then click on Paste, Paste From, and find the Amazon product image. When it appears, move it where you want it and adjust it to fit. Then click on Paste, Paste From, and grab that video start arrow and move it to the center of the product image. Using this arrow makes your product image appear to be a video, and it could cause a curious visitor to click it, and they will be instantly directed to Amazon. Now click Paste, Paste From, and move the Call to Action button where you want it. The last task now is using the Paste, Paste From, find the disclosure image, move it where you want it, and you're ready to save this clickbait image and make your first phantom run. There's a couple of other paint functions you may find useful. First, to resize your clickbait background image, click Resize, check percentage, and type in a number. Depending on what numbers you use, this will expand or decrease the size of your image. You can also quickly remove something by clicking on the blue arrow in the upper left-hand corner.